Yeah. Woo. Loose. Jump. 2021. Yeah.
What had it, CG?
I be like, my mind so blown, get like, what the fuck is wrong? Cause you know I got lots of money, read it, feel comfortable, yeah. Moon rock, take a titties down, feeling stone, leave me alone. Feeling like clap now, some back leg, what's a cartoon, yeah. Purple flower, we devour by the bunches. Got so fucking high, I felt sick to my stomach. Got the munchies, got to chew on the motherfucking shit that I need. I don't even know what the fuck I need no more. Yo, my mom's so blown, get like what the fuck is wrong? Yeah, like I got coronavirus in the air and it sparks for July. Don't even know, man, yo. Woo. Yeah, Be like, why the fuck speaking on the bad shit, man? You can't back up. I got a strap on me, boy. I ain't scared to back up. Oh, got big money on your head, man. I ain't scared of none of y'all niggas, man. Put 10K on the head, boy. You ain't gonna do shit about it, man. Got double K that. Yo, you better know me. I ain't playing. When I said I'm coming with this drop, yo. I be like, I'm so laid back, cruising down the back road, smoking up that pressure. Get too stoned on my mind, nigga. You can't see me, you steady be hating on me. I got the style, but you ain't got, boy. Money on my name, boy. You know me, I'm a G. I keep it real with you. You gotta know I ain't smoking no gram about that blunt. I'm smoking 2.5 or 3.5 in the backwood. Ain't tryna smoke all my profit, cause you know I don't run out. But you know that's still me. I'ma do it wisely, cause I ain't tryna get too high. And I ain't tryna smoke it all up and have to be paid back up. You know me, I'ma do like I need to be doing, yeah. Lucy Jones on the track, boy. I'm a white boy killing it. I'ma get it like a murder case. Fitness me to 10 years on it. After I get done. Know my mind steady running on that bad shit, but you know it's straight. I'ma be like I smoked the killer to get my muscle straight. Yeah. You better know me, I ain't playing when I'm on the track. No, it finna burn with that fucking flame, boy. Lucy Jones, yeah.